Blinkings ka?
Oh. Right jump.
10 minutes running time. Kami sa lahat versus ang Labrahan. Simulan natin ang magandang laro na kung ay nabinong bola ni Gabriela versus Silver there. Wearing the jersey number 8. Jersey number 25, Ferrer. May tabay. Ferrer drives. Ibigay kay jersey number 23. Tumira. Shot. 2 points. Tingnan natin ang diskarte. Ibigay na barangay ng Labrahan sa pagkakataon ito. Kapila ibigay kay Ashley. There's a touch right there. Mapalo. Able to steal. Mapalo kay Ferrer. Ferrer may tabay ng bola. Ferrer still holding. Ferrer. Dito, mag-init agad ang simula ng ating first quarter at patapyas na tayo ng 1 minuto para sa ating unang yuko. Guys, parang kayo pating lahat ang isang magandang gabi at ituloy ang Interbarangay Basketball League 2025 at sa ating Mayor Arnie Alvarez at Mayor Dr. Nestor Lazaro Alvarez kasama ng ating SK Federation headed by Honorable President Santos ang ating mga youth development office na pamumunan ni Sir Jonas Rigos. And of course, this year our official referee is from SBP. Gana naman si Mr. Harvey Pino. Ito, SKOP right here. Let's find out what's going to happen next. Just for waiting again. Mr. Walls from football for our referee. Foul jersey number 9 for holding. Jersey number 9, Mapalo, first personal foul. Opino to Mr. Tablica to Mr. Abinoha. Abinoha drives. And there's a violation.
Same foot, landing.
Same foot. Mapalo to Mr. Here is Mr. Castello. Very strong pass right there. Out of bounds. All possession will be given to Barangay Kamusulan. Kunin ko na lang mamaya. Ayoko na kawisan ka. Malayo ko ito. Kapagod ka. Here, Ron, Kapitan, Mr. Francisco, ball possession, Team Hall, 12 seconds. 12 seconds to shoot for Team Kamusulan. Great connection right there. Here is Abinoha wide open for 2. 7 minutes and 43 seconds. Here is Mr. Ferrer. Ferrer drives straight to basket using the gas. Ferrer for 2. Opino na sa matagin na ibigay sa naglalim. There you go. Magkira malayo. Ako yung jersey number 23. And there's a strong pass right there. Lumabas ang bola. Ball possession para sa mga naka-grade ng Labrahan basketball.
All 4.
Tablihan kami mama. For 2. Garay, out of bounds. Ball possession, Labrahan. Castillo to Mr. Tablila, inside Mr. Pinto. Great shot right there. 2 points. I got a here is Mr. Ferrer at the 3-point line. Running by San Francisco. Great pass to Mapalo. Mapalo, Tumira. There's a block right there from Tablila. And here is Mr. Abinoha for Team Labrahan. In and out. Follow-up game by Mr. Nestor. Nagkagawa ng still able to get the ball from Team Tablila. 12 to shoot. Tablila almost lose. There's the drive. Tablila able to get 7 seconds. 5 to shoot for Labrahan. 2 seconds. Oh, window right there. In and out. Francisco Tablila. And he made the Here is Ferrer. Ferrer. De Los Reyes able to match, but the right there to pick up. Garay drive. He's Pinelas. Garay for 2. Eto sa Rizal ng Liga, 6 over down. For Benita, for Team Naglabrahan. There you go for Francisco. And out. At ito na, ball possession na naman para sa kabusulan. Garay, loses. Garay, 5. Goodness of Garay. Garay's got 2 De Los Reyes makes. And it should for 3. Two strong moves. Francisco na rebound. Castillo na laban ng bola. Castillo na rebound.
Dapat ko sa harap. Nahirapan ako eh.
I'm so sorry. Here is Castillo for first goal in. Reserve substitution for both team. Castillo once again. Substitution. Francisco out. Dolinez in. Dalvin in. Tatong Ponce. Yes, hello. Ito na meron naman tumi ng tres para miss. Mapalo right there. 5. Good ball. Foul jersey number 28. Substitution rep. Sino? De Los Reyes out. Jersey number 44. Popat Loma. Here is Ferrer. Jersey number 8. Back to Ferrer. Ferrer pa rin. Lumitama ang bola. Cabriga able to get the ball to Mr. Castillo. Castillo to set Cabriga drive to Mr. Orpino once again, but too strong. That's a 9 and last right now. Here's the report for the Popat bola to Mr. Ferrer. Alam mo na, muntik naman bitawan ni Ferrer. Bigay by Mr. Asuncion sorry. Here is the Liga. Okay, ito ba na? Sabihin na lang kasi natin nasa isip ko. Ouch. Here is Napao! Nalupakan sa Tapiga right there. Good ball. Ball possession. Mukhang ginaganahan mo rin yung mga referee. Okay, good. Time out. Time out! Habis kepulangan.
Miscommunication. Naglabrahan basketball. Okay, good for 2. Oginoha. Herrera, 2 points.
Castillo for 3. Alabang, ball possession, Naglabrahan. 2 minutes and 57 seconds. Here is Mr. Ferrer. Ferrer drives for 2. Reserve substitution, but then one enough.
Hindi ka pala makakawala, magsusunod pa ulit mawala.
Here is Mr. Ferrer. Ferrer to be the loss. This is the last for 2.
Late ball lang, isa late ball.
Tabila. Torquillo. Okay. Good. Yes. Save. Third and shoot. Castillo for 2. Keren. Substitution. Olpido out. Dulce number 5, Nicolas in. Here is Mr. Tabila. Tabila, Moses, Taylor, Tabila, traveling violation, substitution. Dolphin out, Ferrer out, Garay, and De Los Reyes in. Ball possession comes from the line. And that's 1 minute. Here's De Los Reyes to Mapalo. Mapalo loses. Johnny Des able to get the ball to Mr. Castillo. Castillo pa rin, itama ng bola. Castillo to Mr. Tabila. Tabila, and to shoot for the Labrahan. Whistle blows. Foul jersey number 29, De Los Reyes. First personal foul of jersey number 29. 13 foul, kami sa bola.
Sayang.
Tomadora. Organ,
Kuya, sino po yun? Sadod.
come up for 2. Last 12 seconds. 8 seconds. 5-2. Burns, Sigay, Higuera, yes! End of our first quarter, 16-25. Pabor ang ating talaan sa kubunan ng barangay ng Labrahan. And din kayo ang may precious eh. Yang mga ugali niyong ganyan.
Quack, quack.
Ilang gusto mo sir? Ilan? Here is Mr. Pomadora to Mr. Ferrer. Ferrer may tama ng bola. And whistle blows, good call. What's foul rep? Foul jersey number 8 for blocking. Ang ginawa, Mr. Francisco Martin, who's strong finesse. Here is Mr. Ferrer. Ferrer may tama ng bola. Ferrer. Tignan natin, great move right there to jersey number Pomadora. Pomadora. Another one for jersey number 44, Pomadora. Pinigay kay Mr. Navago. Navago blocks and pushes. He gets all right there. That's an offensive foul, better. Foul jersey number 25, using the elbow. Here is Garay. Garay drives. Garay pushes. And another whistle. Break cut again. 23. Subdivision. Nicholas out. Jersey number 20. SK Obito in. Garay second personal foul. Second team foul. Barangay Kabisuan. Here is Ginoha to SK Obito. He's out. Good. And there's a foul. Foul jersey number 9. Another foul for Mr. Pablo. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Third team foul. Sorry, Barangay Kabisuan. Francisco inbound. Ibigay ka sa Opito. Opito goes the ball. Opito drives. Pushes the field. Yes. Another pass for him. There's Mr. Jersey 24 to Mr. Francisco. Francisco drive. Right it away. Francisco for 2. Here is Garay. Garay kinutot pa. Tumalay na dahil hindi pumasok sa nagkakataon. Here is Abinoha. Abinoha pushes for 2. 29-16. 2 minutes na nalagas sa ating ikalawang mundo. Chance for Naglabrahan to jersey number 24 to Mr. Mariano for 2. Asagon drives for 2. Is it the last? Yes, sir. There is Francisco. Francisco Jungle Collision. Timeout. Barangay Kabisulan. Ang nalalagyan natin oras mga kaibigan. 7 minutes and 33 seconds. Sa ating score, 18-31. Pabor sa Barangay Naglabrahan. Back to the ball game. Once again, second quarter tayo, 7 minutes and 33 seconds. Ang ating talaan, 18 laban sa 31. Alamangan pa rin sa kupunan ng Barangay Naglabrahan. Narito si Mr. Ferrer para sa kanyang kupunan. Kupunan ng boss, Miss Asagon de follow. Asagon for 2. And here is Mr. Castillo. Castillo may tama ng bola. To SK Opito drives, Asagon able to steal. Still, jersey number 8 to Mr. Ferrer driving. Ferrer to Mr. Asagon. Uniform. At ninira para sa Diyos Puntos. Ito na si Mr. Castillo to Mr. Opito. Opito to Mr. Melabo. Melabo to Mr. Castillo drives. Castillo miss. Ayun na, ito si Asagon. Asagon to Mr. Ferrer. Ferrer pa rin. May taman para sa Kabisulan. Ibigay kay Mr. Garay. Communication with them. Yes. Tayo para kay Mr. Ferrer. Sayang communication play. Awa sa strong power. And timeout. For Team Naglabrahan. Ganong pagkakataon ng mga nakakapaghinayang. That was 2 consecutive shot for the Team Kabisulan. Through Ferrer and Pala, but unfortunately, walang pumasok sa pagkakataong ito. Balik na tayo sa ating mga laro. 6 minutes and 31 seconds pa rin ang ating oras. At maya-maya po, hindi na makakatanggal sa akin. Ay, kaya ba? Baka po bisitahin tayo ni Miss Guatemala. Pa? Ano tayo? Here is Mr. Ferrer to Mr. Garay. Garay to Ferrer. Ferrer fakes. Ferrer drives to Mr. Boba. Boba for 3. Nothing but that. That was a 3-point shot coming from Boba. Magaling naman sa PBA. Tingnan natin. Tabligay na. Pinakataon natin. Tingnan natin. Tabligay. Yes, yes. Force. PJ Burton. Yes, this time at the center right there. The ball. And then a rebound. And there's a foul. Great ball. Foul jersey number 25 for blocking. Kakurang ang nalalapin nating oras, 5 minuto, 46 na segundo. Ito ang Mr. Matalo, Pupabadora, Pupabadora, uses the ball, Castillo right here, there, muntik na naman na bitawan, but Castillo able to get the ball, wrong pass, from Mr. Jersey number 44, Pupabadora, Pupabadora to Mr. Garay, Garay, do not set pushes, miss this time, Pupabadora, there's a block right there, Garay is Mr. Sigman, Garay, with the Maramura, and there's a whistle, opposition. Dita, we're on the energy to tonight. Nabano siya, nabano siya. Pinsan mo. Nabano siya. Ang aga mo namang, ano bang nangyari? Bronze, sinang bronze. Na-injury ka aga-aga. Eto, Mr. Castillo. May tama ng bola. Remember dito. Hindi siya yun. Okay na sa bandang na. Tingin ka Mr. Carlazo. In and out. Pumadora. Pumadora to Mr. Garay. Garay to Mr. Mapala. Mapala ng baby ball goal. Yes! Mr. Mapala right there. Abela drive. Abela pushes. Bigyan ka to Mr. Garay. Concert ka lang ang tanong.
Erby, marami yung pera. Sandaan nyo. Sandaan.
Sayang.
If the
Sayang.
price is right, here is Mapalo for 2 mils. Another one from them, and there's a whistle. And there's foul run. Foul jersey number 30. Two shots to be given by Mr. Garay. Garay first round missed. Wazumba. Garay second round in 26-35. Abinawa, utama ng bola. Abinawa, binigay kay jersey number 21, was it Rose. Foul jersey number 27. 25. Second person ball, jersey number 25. Now this situation, Labis of Mula. That's 4. Hindi natin sa pagkakataong ito, paano mabawi ang koponan ng Barangay Kabisukulan. Ferrer leading his team, making a play. Ferrer drives, Sinalile, and Boss Putron. Here is Mr. Castillo. Castillo to Mr. Opito. Opito pa rin, natama ng bola. Opito drives. Opito! Fantastic! 2 points. 3 minutes and 55 seconds. Ferrer to Garay. Garay to Ferrer. Ferrer pa rin, may tama ng bola. Ferrer, once again, for 3, this is Glass. 30-39. Here is Mr. Saboy. Who's almost out of power. Ball possession. Talikod ko naman yan, Lord. Here is Castillo inside to Sir Pilo. Pilo is first shot. And there's a whistle. And a win for foul right there. Great ball. Foul jersey number 20, Opito. Foul jersey number 20, Opito. Opalo inbound to Mr. Ferrer. Ferrer pa rin. Sa pagkakataon ito na kay Garay ang bola. Garay 14 naglalaban. Pomadora to Garay. Garay to Mr. Ferrer. Ferrer for three. No good. Pomadora able to rebound to inside Mr. Garay. Garay for two. Yes. For two. 34-41 ang ating talaan. Here is Ferrer. Ferrer pa rin. Ferrer for two. No good. Okay, the rebound. Mr. Abinoha. Abinoha may nakalabara. Abinoha, Abinoha. And who's not ready? Foul jersey number 25. Sino? Nanay mo. Ferrer out. That was Reyes in. Parazo out. Pomadora out. Delvin and Delvides in. Third personal foul. Third personal foul. Nah.
Hindi, count all the sabi ko, hindi naiiyak yung language, di ba?
Here is Delvin. Delvin vibes. Toss. Nagad. Nagagawa sa maglalan. Hindi ko nakita ang referee magdedesisyon. Oh, alam mo na. Kung ano naman naglaban. Tama! Naglaban! Saktong 2 minuto ang nalalabing oras natin para sa ating ikalawang yugto. Ang ating naraan 34 laban sa 42. At abangan po natin ang ating basketball game, second quarter tayo mga kaibigan. Lungsod ng Hanggang News. Ang ating masasaktang laro ay laro laban ng Barangay Naglabrahan at Barangay Kabisabulan. Sa mga kadarating lamang po ang ating putalaan, 34 para sa Kabisabulan at 42 para naman sa Barangay Naglabrahan. Ito na si Sir Castillo, si Sir Abinoha, si Sir Abinoha. Kasama ko ito si Abinoha. For two. Yes, sir. Ito na si Dos Reyes. Pista, Castillo. Hesitation. Without hesitation for two. 1 minute and 35. Warning for being fouled. Number 21. Abinoha for two.
May isa pa, Insan!
Garay to Mr. Delas Reyes. Delas Reyes to Mr. Asadon. Set to shoot. Asadon, yes. Tabliga, nakuha ang bola. Tabliga pa rin to Mr. Abinoha. Abinoha drives. That's 1 minute. Abinoha to Mr. Asadon. Right there, to steal. Asadon. Subdivision. Subdivision. Castillo out. Melito in. Subdivision. Delas Reyes out. Try. There is Mr. Garay. Garay to Mr. Ferrer. Ferrer mentaba ng bola to Asadon. Asadon. Here is Mr. Delvin. 7 to shoot. Still by Mr. Malabo. Malabo mentaba ng bola to Mr. Delvides. To Mr. Abinoha. Miss this time. 20 seconds. Garay, miss, another one, another chance for Mr. Garay. Garay to jersey to 20. Ayan, sige. 10 seconds. Block by Mr. Lapino. Galides right there. Galides na naman ang bola. Galides for 2. Miss. 2 seconds. Tira mo na. End of our second quarter. And right.
Wala.
Kita kanina umuuso.
Kay ano yun? Kay Santos. Sa bata.
Third quarter na tayo mga kaibigan. Nine minutes and 55. Here is Mr. Castillo for the Labaran. Great movement!
Galing naman.
Galing naman ang batang dito. Hindi lang binayaan ng height. Here is Matalo. Matalo na ba? Tugaray. Asalong turns and shoot. No good.
23 sila Santo Domingo ah. Yung mga 40 up.
Ay, oo. Ay, baho daw. Baho daw.
Pero, driving inside to Mr. Pumadora to Asador. Asador may tapang bola. Asador to line for the shot clock. 24 seconds shot clock. Shot clock violation. Here is Castillo. Castillo pa rin, may tama ng bola, making a play for Team Naglabrahan. Castillo drives. Castillo pa rin to Mr. Melavo. Melavo almost loses the ball to Francisco. 8 to shoot, Naglabrahan. Francisco missed. Natagawan. And yes, double dribble.
Double.
8 minutes and 54 seconds. Castillo may tama ng bola. 8 to shoot.
Kahit ito. Ito ewan ko. Isa pa lang.
Here is Castillo, 4 seconds. Miss. Nakuha ni Sir Pereira ng bola. Pereira. Nabitawan. Francisco. Able to get the ball. Francisco. Dive. Dive. Castillo is ready to pass it. Dive for 2. Emma. Here is Francisco for 2. 36-52. Pomadora to Mr. Mapalo. Mapalo Ferrer. 12 to shoot. Pomadora for 3. Miss. Asalon able to get the ball. Asalon to Mr. Pomadora to Mr. Mapalo. Mapalo, and there's a whistle and out. All possession, Barangay Naglabrahan. 7 minutes and 48 seconds still ang ating dalaan. 36 laban sa 52. Here is Castillo, 14 ng Naglabrahan. Castillo drives. Castillo for 2. And tingnan natin ang gagawin ng Travis Sakulan sa pagkakataon nito. 36 laban sa 54, 54. Castillo great move. Miss this time. Here is Asanon. Asanon to Mr. Ferrer. Ferrer may tama ng bola. Drives to Mr. Mapalo. Mapalo to Mr. Popadora. Miss. Ito si Mr. Garay. May tama ng bola. Inaalat dito ang Sakulan, ano? And Kumira, now good. Miss. Nakagawa. Mapalo for the 4th time around. Castillo able to get the ball to Tabliga. Ferrer. Popadora. Tabliga. May tama ng bola. And ball possession. Ibigay to Naglabrahan. Sa position Tabliga ang galing best team. Grabe. Ang daming sumot na nag-record sa Sakulan sa pagkakataon ngayon. 4 o 5 tira ang pumasok sa titik. Okay mo, nagbigay na. Here is Castillo. Castillo pa rin, may tama ng bola. Castillo to Mr. Francisco turns and shoots. Francisco for 2. Here is Mr. Perez. And a strong pass right there, substitution. Timeout! 21.
Ganda ng ikot. Wow!
Ferrer to Mr. Garay, Garay to Mapalo. Mapalo pero to shot, miss this time. At sa noon, nagladrama ng basketball. Castillo to Mr. Olpido. Olpido pa rin, may tama ng bola. Olpido drives and shoot, miss this time. Galindez the rebound. Galindez, wala. Another chance for Mr. Galindez. Sige, pito mo na. Nakuha ang bola ng pagkasukulan through Mr. Capiles. Here's Ferrer. Ferrer. Pendical. Pendical, jersey number 21 for making a foul. Substitution. See, Mapalo out. Castillo out. Paraso in. Garay to Ferrer. Ferrer, very long three. Nothing but net. Ferrer, 3 points. Here is Castillo. Castillo, gusto magpakita. Dumami, but miss. Olpido to bring it down to Mr. Galindez. Back to Mr. Olpido. Olpido, nabitawan. Aceron to Mr. Antonio. Antonio to Mr. Capiles. Capiles din namin ang bola. Capiles to Mr. Antonio. Last 5 minutes. And foul. Foul jersey number 30. Jersey number 30, second personal foul. Garay, committed on the red. Garay, 3 points. Here is Abinoha. Abinoha may tama ng bola. Abinoha drives. Abinoha, napitawan. Antonio able to get. Garay right there. Garay may tama ng bola. Garay drives. Nakita mo naman yan, sister, ano? Si Pito! And Pito right there, wala pa rin Capiles. Still able to get the ball, 10 seconds to Kapisulang, Ferrer drive. Pinigil kay Capiles, and si Gana. Ito na si Ferrer. Here is Mr. Abinoy this time. Out of bounds, ball possession, same ball. Sino ba yun ba? Galindez out, Tabliga in. And to everyone who's watching us live through sa mga kabataan, Kabisukulan Basketball or Facebook page, na ibang narabigan na kayong aming abo. I hope you guys are enjoying the game tonight. 42-58. Here is Paraso. Wanting to walk on, and Olpido right there. And that was a strong shot from Mr. Olpido. Olpido right there. Big action. Miss this time. Here is Mr. Ferrer. Ferrer may tawa ng bola. Ferrer drives. Ferrer to Mr. Capiles. Capiles for 3. Miss the short shot. Antonio Tabliga. Re-filled. And doon ang binigay ka Mr. Paraso. Paraso. Asalon ball. Asalon. Defense right there. Mr. Asalon. Asalon may tawa ng bola. Asalon. drives, Abinohan won. Abinohan another 2 points for Team Naglabrahan.
Magaling.
Supported friend ko talaga says.
Lumipat ka pa ng sabi nila yung mga public ay di ba?
Sister Cabrera. And destination play right there by President Paraso. Timeout. 26 seconds. Two minutes and 26, one possession, kami sa bulan. Here is Perez to Mr. Pomadola to Asador. Asador for 3. Nagsama-sama lang naman. 2 minutes and 5 seconds. SKO Pinto right there. Here is Abinohan. Abinohan to Mr. Tabliga. Tabliga drive. Time to shoot. Tabliga! Bumukot pa! Ang galing mo talagang bumukot, Tabliga. Pati puso ko, tinukot ko kasi. Mag-asawa ka mo, nagkarapagal ako sa liga. Okay to Mr. Tabliga. Tabliga to Abinohan. Abinohan, 1-3. Miss this time. Here is Mr. Perez. Perez may tabal ng bola. Perez drives. Perez inside. Here is Tabliga. Okay na. Here is Mr. Perez. Pinamaan kasi siya sa Perez. Best to shoot. That's 1 minute. Inside. Can you say now? S. Miss. Ito, Asalan.
Bulikat.
Technical timeout. Chesky na yan. Matigas ulo niyan. Bigyan pa natin na tamang mga splash na wala naman makikita. Palitan muna si SK kung hindi pa po siya dito kaya. 45 seconds na lamang po kung lalagay mo oras natin sa ating third quarter.
Sigo. Ito na maamba. Hindi naman sadya. Inangat yung kamay.
Here is Mr. Tabliga. Tabliga may tamang bola. Tabliga pa rin. Tabliga drives. Tabliga great move right there. Tabliga for 2. Last 28 seconds. 49-68. Here is Mr. Perez. 19 seconds. Here is Mr. Pomadola. Pomadola Perez. 13 to shoot. 2 points. 5 seconds. Last 3 seconds.
Okay.
Time! End of our third quarter, 51-68. Kalamangan pa rin nasa kupunan ng barangay Naglabrahan. Di ba Kuya Juan? Paano hindi ko na narinig yung pito? Last quarter Start tayo 10 minutes pa rin ang ibigay natin oras para bawat kumpunan. Tingnan natin ang nagagawa whistle. Foul jersey number 4, Francisco. First personal foul of jersey number 4, Francisco. Ferrer first row men's.
Dami naman kayo.
Ferrer second row. Pasok. And ito si Mr. Francisco. Ang bitawan, nakuha ang Mr. Pilador. Ang bola ng Mr. Tala. Targuan, inside. 2 points. 14 comes to the line. And ang ginagatak. Struggling the power. Adon on the field. Bumaba na sa 10 kalamangan ng barangay ng Librahan. Ito si Sir Pinoha, si Sir Tabliga. Tabliga may taba ng bola. Tabliga pa rin. 15 to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. And whistle goes. Alam tawag red. Foul jersey number 16. Holding. Subdivision. Para out, Garay in.
Nasama pa kasi lagi na lang. Andiyan pa naman si Ninang. Diba?
Time to shoot, 14 ng Librahan. Here is Castillo, Tinsero, Pingo turns, and shoot. There's a whistle and a foul is given to jersey number 20 for holding. Foul jersey number 20, Antonio, first personal foul, second kick foul, kami sa mula. Puro post na hindi nagpapatawag na ng Naglabrahan, Si Ate Joan ang pinakamalakas ang gumaming. Yes, another shot. Ibibigay pa akala kay Mr. Olpindo. Our jumpers are ready. Olpindo's one shot. Basok. Here is Asadon. Foul jersey number 26. Abinoha, foul. First personal foul. Officer Abinoha, first team foul. Second, sorry. Garay, may taba ng bola. Garay, ibinigay kay Mr. Comadora. Comadora, drop. Comadora, there's a whistle once again. And a foul was given to jersey number 29, Tabliga. Tabliga, second personal foul. 14 foul, Naglabrahan. Garay once again to inbound. Garay to Mr. Asadon. Asadon drives. Asadon to Mr. Comadora. Comadora drives. And shoot for two. Next to the side. Francisco to rebound. There's no pass to Mr. Abinoha. Nakakagawa doon. Pagpasasyon. Naglabrahan. At may dalawang magaganda. Fresh. At talagang parang nagmumulak Opino na Asadon. Still ball possession. Here is Castillo with the ball. Asadon able to steal. Asadon with the guy that is start. Better drive. Better inside with the right. Sa kabila ng paghabol ng kapisubulan, hindi pumasok. Kaya naman si Castillo. Castillo to Mr. Opino. Opino may tama na bola. Opino to Mr. Tabliga. 12 seconds. Tabliga to Mr. Castillo. Castillo drive. Makes. And yes. Traveling violation.
Sayang. Yun na sana binigyan na sa ilalim.
Grabe ang crowd ng kapisubulan. Where is Mr. Ferrer? Ferrer para may tama ng bola to Mr. Asadon. Eto si Mr. Ferrer to Mr. Garay. Mapalo. Mapalo first. Mapalo. Bawang ka Mr. Opino to Garay. Garay for 3. Sa kakagila na agad. Francisco ay matawin na naman. Francisco Castillo ng tagawan. Asadon breaking that score. Ating kapisubulan right here. They're taking all their test. Para naman Asadon. Red able to move that one, but there's a foul right there from jersey number 20 for hitting the ball. Set position. Castillo out. Middle level 8. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Asadon personal miss. Last triple jumpers already. Yes, once again for the second time around, and here is Mr. Opino versus the Labrahan. Won't be able to do that. And let's have a free ball. Labrahan basketball. And you only have 20 minutes, 20 seconds to shoot. Here is Melano to SK Opino. Opino drives, Opino, and whistle blows. There's a foul right there. Coming from jersey number 25, Ferrer. Ferrer warning for foul now. For 3. And let's have a technical right there. Jersey number 26, technical. For Conting. Conting. Ball possession. Kapisubulan. Asadon to Garay. Garay. Another steal for Mr. Asadon. I don't before that one. Winasabi na biyaan. Kumali sa Kapisubulan. 7 minutes and 2 seconds. 58-75. 7 minutes and 2 seconds. Ferrer will end up for Team Kapisubulan. Ferrer to Mr. Camarera. Please, Ferrer. Ferrer, dribbling. Ferrer, putting it across. 82-5. Ferrer for 2. 60-75. Tabliga. Tabliga to Mr. Opino. For 2. Oh, whistle na lang. Foul jersey number 26 for holding. Opino. Penalty situation. 2 shots for team Kapisubulan.
Masuk.
Subdivision. Yun, pumasok na sa tamang pagkakataon. Samuel Hernandez. Another one. There's a result technical, using for 20. For taking a foul. Foul jersey number 21, technical. Alright, gawin natin magaan ang gabing ito. Jersey number 21 out of the play board for having 2 technicals.
Palisin mo daw, ma! Palisin mo! Palisin mo!
Alis daw po, Mr. Castillo. Kabligan to Mr. Opido. Opido, tama ang bola. For need to shoot for naglabahan. Opido pa rin. Data session, kami sa ulaw. Para to Pilar. Pilar may tama ang bola. Pilar drive. Mr. Jana, Jana moves. Jana, binigay kay Mr. Antonio to Mr. Pilar. Pilar for three. That's the time. Pilar able to rebound to Mr. Pomadola. And move this for Mr. Antonio drives to save the ball. Unfortunately, it's out for Pilar. We've got a chance right here for Mr. Francisco. But Pilar able to steal. Pilar drives. Pilar still holding the ball and whistle blows. Brooklyn violation. Basketball. Let's have a technical. Technical jersey number 25. Ferrer fouled out for committing 5 fouls. Technical free throw. One shot miss.
Nakawisan tuloy ako, JC. Kahit di mainit.
Here's Francisco. Another technical. For jersey number 25, Ferrer. Touch the coach po tayo. Relax lang tayo, ano? We don't want to hear any bad words coming from your mouth, players. Di yung rason kaya tayo ay palarong basketball. The reason why we are doing this is because we want to have camaraderie and great relationship with each other. Remember that. Here is Opido. 10 to shoot for the Cabrahan. Here is Mr. Pomadola to Mr. Francisco. Nagkagawa. Lumusot. Naglabrahan basketball. 5 minutes and 38 seconds. Here is Mr. Abinoha. Abinoha for 3. Missed this time. Nagkagawa. Antoro hitting the ball to Mr. Pomadola and another whistle. And who's foul run? Foul jersey number 20. Hit. Turn over the ball. Competition. Na level out para sa 5 fouls na po. Si Castillo Opindo. Opindo fouled out for committing 5 fouls.
Yari. biglang nagkaalangan.
1 minutes and 28 seconds. Ang ganda na mag-relax lang po tayo. I-enjoy lang natin. The opportunity that we are having right now is really so precious. Kaya, embrace natin. May opportunity tayo maglaro. At i-enjoy. Ang Kapila still able to get to Mr. Francisco for 3. Francisco now good. Rebounded inside. Dito ko makakikita ito. Ramon Silveremora. Geraldo Sercana. And a drive by now! And a whistle blows. Down on the ball right there. Coming from Thursday number 8. Hitting the head. Subdivision. At right now, natalo. Takbo. Fourth personal foul. Foul jersey number 6. Steve. Penalty situation. Substitution. Kara out, Delping in. Here is Mr. Popadora. Popadora drives, trying to get for two, missed this time. Francisco is going to get ball, Apollo right there, but still, Mahalo drives, that pushes for two. Missed once again. Nagkakaroon ng ball, Pablica get the ball. And here is Mr. Piraco for number Abraham, running open two. 64-18. Popadora. Number 9 for holding. Subdivision. Tablica out. Domingo. 4 minutes and 22 seconds.
Ayun, nagtanong ka pa kasi. Palo na slow. Palo ka po na. Palo.
Mapalo, third personal foul. Ito na, tingnan natin. Wait lang, nalabas na ako sila. Asang kami ko? Here is Topin to Mr. Popadora. 3 minutes and 45. Popadora drives to Mr. Mapalo. Mapalo to Popadora for 2. 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Travel by yourself. Garay, 14 comes from Ulan. Garay to Pumadora along 3. Pumadora for 3. And naman, sa nabirang right here, 14 na Abraham. Fix. And there is a traveling violation. Here is Mr. Mapalo. Mapalo magtaga ng bola. Mapalo once, straight to the basket. And he got a foul right there. And it was foul with? Good ball, foul jersey number 29 for pushing. 2 shots. Subdivision. Nicolas out, Belinda's in.
Suporta lang yan. Tip-tip eh.
Napalo second throw, pasok. 72-84 ang ating talay. Ito na si Mr. Tabliga para sa kapinan ng naglabrahan na Jacob Sergalindez. And the whistle blows and a foul right there is given to jersey number 8, Asadon. Asadon, second personal foul, penalty situation, vote me. Galindez, first row. Short, missed. Galindez, second throw, miss. Ito si Mr. Tabliga. Nakuha ni Mr. Delphine. Delphine almost loose. Abinoha. Nakuha ang bola. Abinoha. Substitution. Delphine out. Antonio in. 2 minutes and 23, 19 seconds. Tumira ng boss, Tabliga for 2. Magkagawan. Antonio to Mr. Garay. Garay, cross, Garay! And then a substitution. Parazo out, Nilabo in. Substitution. Sino?
Liga.
Tabliga out, Domingo in. Kami sa ulan. Sa Pakistan. Out of bounds. Same ball. Last 2 minutes. Here is Gapalo now again. Ito nagkagawa ng bola. And there's a whistle to Baldwin. That is Baldwin. Foul jersey number 20, Antonio. Antonio's second personal foul. Penalty situation. 1 minute and 50 seconds. 72-86. Malabo first throw. Pasok. Second throw for Mr. Malabo. Next, there is Pumadora. Nagkagawan. Mapalo able to get the ball. Mapalo still holding. Mapalo na rin. Mapalo to Mr. Asadon. Asadon draws. Asadon. Trick for two. This time. Napalas talaga. Inaalam na kapsulan. Ito naman si Mapalo. 8 seconds. Nagkagawa. Substitution, Domingo out, Rodrigo in.
Rizal. Ha? Sa Rizal.
Saan?
Hindi niya sa Rizal.
Second row. Pembasa.
Andun na tayo, di ba?
Last 1 minute and 8. Malakas ang pasok para kay Mr. Galamo. Ito na si Tablina. Quarter on. Time to shoot. Ito na si Milamo. Tumira sa malayo. Miss. Nagkagawa ng bola. Here is Mr. Mapalo. Last 48 seconds. Mapalo to Garay. Garay pa rin magkagawa ng bola. 44 seconds. 15 to shoot. Garay for 2. Last 41 seconds. Masyado makas. Good. 35 seconds. Garay for 2. Miss. Ball possession. Naglabrahan. Barangay Naglabrahan.
Ilalayo ko na sa bangko. Ilalayo ko na sa bangko.
Ito na nagkagawan. Last 22 seconds. Ang binuha kay Mr. Tabliga to Mr. Mr. Walls. Foul is being committed by jersey number 8 for pushing. Fourth personal foul of jersey number 8. Last 15 seconds.
Nakagaling. Ha? Nakagaling.
First row, Mr. Abinoha in.
Para ba burong ba?
Second row, pasok. Last 13 seconds. Garay to Mr. Asagon. Miss, 5 seconds. Makalo. Pumira for 2. 2 seconds.